Can we begin with the error in email service, because I think it might stop some critical communication to the user. Uh, what is this error exactly? Awesome. So it's helping me. I'm also looking at this alert in parallel, and it's saying that there's been an error in uh, not the recommendation. I want to check up the email service first. So when I'm looking up the email service, there is context of this alert that I've received. It says there's a platform exception that's come up, and it's come in. The error is set up. There are error log based alerts that are set up. So it's checked up those alerts, and it's come up with a uh, it's investigating this now. So the agent here has access to my Grafana Loki. So what it has done here is it has gone down and it is basically queried through different pod logs. As you can see, these are detailed logs of the platform of my account, of my application in Loki that it has queried. Now, if I have to look up what did it actually query, it actually made this LoQL query called app equal to email service and error type messages. And in the last 1 hour, because the alert is at that time. And then it went on to check the metrics for the same service, like the error rate, the throughput, the latency. Now it's saying root cause is order item object has no attribute quantity. Okay, the error messages fail to calculate this. There is a service error. The email service is trying to calculate order statistics and expects this. This is okay. Okay, can you? Okay, yeah, this is told me, right? Yes. Can you investigate the code and tell me what could be done to fix this? Right. So let me just ask it to investigate the code and see if it's able to do that. Now, okay, seems like it's failed somewhere. Let me try it again. Okay, okay. So it has access to uh, this repository is not allowed for code analysis. So I think I don't have access to the repository. I've not given the right access to the repository's code review, code reading here. So hence I'm not able to actually access the specific part, but it has come up with a recommendation. So what this means is, okay, it does not matter whether all the integrations that your team has, whether they have been given or not, it still gives you the most helpful possible recommendation. For instance, if you have not given the code access, it's still reading through the logs, it's reading through the stack trace, and bases the error pattern from the logs and the trace, it's come up with a recommendation of adding some error handling with a fallback and fixing the name of the attribute that it thinks is the problem. So